Hello, I'm your friend Teacher Sam. I will help you practice short sentences in English. My favorite food is pizza. Can you repeat that? My favorite food is pizza. My favorite drink is juice. Repeat after me. My favorite drink is juice. My favorite color is pink. Try saying that. My favorite color is pink. My favorite car is Toyota. Your turn. My favorite car is Toyota. My favorite season is summer. Can you repeat after me? My favorite season is summer. My favorite fruit is apple. Repeat after me. My favorite fruit is apple. My favorite sport is football. Your turn. My favorite sport is football. My favorite weather is sunshine. Repeat that. My favorite weather is sunshine. My favorite movie is comedy. Can you say that? My favorite movie is comedy. My favorite subject is English. Repeat after me. My favorite subject is English. My favorite band is Bon Jovi. Try saying that. My favorite band is Bon Jovi. My favorite book is novel. Your turn. My favorite book is novel. My favorite wine is anything sparkling. Can you repeat after me? My favorite wine is sparkling. My favorite ice cream flavor is vanilla. Repeat that. My favorite ice cream flavor is vanilla. My favorite television show is Cosby Show. Try saying that. My favorite television show is Cosby Show. My favorite animal is horse. Can you repeat that? My favorite animal is horse. My favorite flower is rose. Repeat after me. My favorite flower is rose. My favorite wild animal is lion. Repeat that. My favorite wild animal is lion. My favorite sea creature is shark. Your turn. My favorite sea creature is shark. Well done. Now let's make sentences on past favorites. When I was a child, my favorite food was pizza, but now my favorite food is sushi. When I was in class 5, my favorite subject was math, but now my favorite subject is English. When I was a child, my favorite sport was basketball, but now my favorite sport is football. When I was a child, my favorite drink was apple juice, but now my favorite drink is orange juice. When I was a child, my favorite pet was a cat, but now my favorite pet is a dog. When I was a child, my favorite ice cream flavor was vanilla, but now my favorite ice cream flavor is strawberry. When I was a child, my favorite wild animal was tiger, but now my favorite wild animal is lion. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more lessons with Teacher Sam. Remember that practice makes perfect.